Hey, I want you to imagine being the go-to guy or gal looked up to by insurance agents locally as the authority on magnetically generating red-hot insurance leads almost out of thin air. And getting paid more than most doctors get for less than 30 minutes of work doesn't sound like a stretch. I thought so too until I saw it happen. Hi, my name is Mike Paul, and I'm now a local marketing consultant helping businesses across the country generate all the leads they can handle. Leads. It's the lifeblood of this hungry local niche, but when the leads become stale, they become the very thing that saps the life away from this unsuspecting professional, and they never saw it coming. The truth is, a lot of them do see it coming now. This goes to say that they're anxious to pay consultants $1,444 to give them a fountain of youth type of lead flow, and it's something newcomers can do on a very part-time basis. Now, I'd be less than honest if I told you that they didn't go through a ton of heartache and suffering to come to this humble point in business. They did, and they're here now. They know that the leads they've been peddled are washed over way too many times because their current source of leads has gotten stingy, and they're selling their leads to their direct competition 10 times over. What has this done to them? Well, it's like a domino effect. Not only has their sales taken a nosedive, but to keep up with life, they've had to neglect life to stay afloat. Working longer hours, knocking on more doors, going to more networking events, buying more bad leads. All in hopes to get the numbers game to be a bit more gracious to them. It's easy to understand, isn't it? That they'd be all over a marketing consultant who could truly deliver a new flow of exclusive and business reviving leads. In all sincerity, they're the most open and shut, smoothest and easiest niche to sign up as clients. And it's so good, you may choose to do nothing else. Aside from the ease of approaching this niche, they're also willing to pay well. And it doesn't matter if you don't have any experience. See, the gap is easy to fill with my help. Would you believe that some insurance niches allocate $1,000 per week to spend on leads? You heard it right. That's $4,000 per month on leads. And remember, their business lives or dies based on their lead flow. So as the case stands, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. Once they experience your business transforming lead service, they're going to need you and will pay you for a very long time. This is a golden opportunity for you. Their pain, coupled with their motivation and their weekly habit, means they'll be all over your offering with no hard selling on your part. What you'll do is simply deliver better leads in such a way that none of their competition is doing. It'll make them stand out, and as a result, you'll be the one who shines. Since you can't erase their competition, the best thing you can do is make them stick out from the rest in this obvious but strangely unutilized way. Which is why they're practically waiting impatiently to hand over $447, $997, and even $1,440 on month one. And this doesn't even touch the recurring cash flow you'll soon reap for reviving their insurance businesses. All right, I'm excited to tell you about this, but the information below is far more detailed, and that way you'll be able to make a good decision. So check it out now. Remember, I'm here to support you, and I'll see you on the inside.